a pregnant kangaroo, the gender of its baby, called a joey, is by nature a surprise. The probability the baby kangaroo in the mother kangaroo's pouch is female is 50%. The probability it's a male kangaroo is the same.
Suppose you've noticed that it rains about 3/4 of the time you've seen rain clouds like these, meaning you could predict a 75% chance of rain. Sarah, like all meteorologists, has more experience observing conditions in which rain will be likely and figuring out how likely it will be. Under the conditions she's seeing now, there's a 50% chance of rain. She has correlated these conditions to the probability of an event, in this case rain, based on past patterns and some understanding of what conditions cause rain. Free throws can be anything but certain. So what are the chances a specific player will make a free throw? One way to figure out a player's probability of making a free throw is by using an experimental approach. Divide the number of free throws made by the number of attempts. So far this season, number 35 has made 125 free throws out of 150 attempts. His free throw average, which is the probability of his success, is about 83%. So, the probability of him making his next free throw is about 83%. There's a very good chance he'll make it.
What's the probability of any one specific car winning? That car would have a 1 in 20 chance. To find out their likelihood of winning as a percent, we need to convert the fraction 1/20 to a percent. Remember, a percent is a fraction that always has 100 in the denominator. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5, because 5 times 20 equals 100. The numerator would then be 5. Add the percent symbol and lose the denominator. That's understood. So each race car driver has a 5% chance of winning.